What's good, guys? Reese and Austin here, Environmental Bros. We're here in Hyalite. A little bit of a late start for the day, almost 3 p.m. But we're here at the Trailhead for Emerald Lake. Plan on doing a couple peaks. It's a beautiful day out.
Yeah, gorgeous day here today. We're gonna try to go get, was it Chisholm and Overlook Mountain here quick. There's not a trail, so we're gonna try to show you guys the easiest way up this thing. Should be some beautiful views and a cool view into this drainage and also over to the Hyalite Peak and the other mountains in the Gallatins. So we're hyped, stay tuned, and
it's gonna be a good one.
Heck yeah.
We'll see you guys on the trail.
So we're just about up to Emerald Lake. Pretty little vista here.
Taking a pause.
Taking in the views. A little bit of snow, but Austin did a great job route finding us.
Still pretty early in the season. Had to do some pretty good post holing, but you know, we made it, staying refreshed. It's nice, you know, not super hot, staying cool. And mountains are looking pretty beautiful with snow on top. We're hoping that there's not gonna be too much to slow us down that much. We'll see once we get closer up, be able to gauge the route a little bit better. And yeah, just see where it takes us.
Yeah, got it. About 4 miles here. Hopefully, I don't know, a couple more tents to the lake. We'll go from there.
We had a little bit of a change of plans. Down there you can see Emerald Lake. A lot of post holing, a lot of snow to get there. Our feet were getting pretty wet. Kind of got a little ill prepared. Didn't have any extra socks. Didn't have gloves or a hat or anything. Started snowing a bit. We were gonna go way over there to Heather Lake and then climb up the couloir on the opposite side to Chisholm and Overlook, but it just looked too far and like too much snow. We didn't want to push it. And it's just later on in the day, so we just didn't know how much time we'd have, but didn't want to turn around, so we just kind of freelanced our way up this little this scree gully, and we honestly don't know where we're going, just kind of trying to gain this ridge and see what we can see, you know, just get some cool views. Looks like weather's cleared up a bit, sun's come back out, so I'm hoping the storm's passed for today and we'll be able to get some cool views once we get to the top here, see what the climbing looks like, and just go from there. It's almost tempting to go up that little that steep kind of chimney over there. You can wedge yourself in, but yeah, I guess it's not worth the risk. Right. Yeah, this is just basic scramble. Class 2, no more than really class 3 stuff, it looks like. Kind of reminds me of Ross Peak a little bit. Getting on all fours for this one. A lot of scree. Oh, that one hit my ankle. It's kind of hard to tell how steep it is up here. Some of it does a little bit. Just be careful. Yeah, this is fine. Making our way up this final last little section up to this unknown ridge. We passed the climbing section, had to crawl over some trees and whatnot, but finally in the clear. And yeah, getting up here, stunning views down below of Emerald and Heather Lake. How you feeling, Reese?
Doing well, man. Hard to beat the views. Don't be blind with me. Eyes open to the
Yeah, it was a
pretty fun, man.
quick storm and we're getting some good lighting. A little bit of wind still, but nothing too crazy. It's getting the sun breaking through. Really hitting Emerald Lake. That's beautiful. Let's see what's up over this ridge line. Wow. Wow, that is stunning. Oh, wow. Beautiful. That light just caressing that upper line of the ridge. Oh, man.
Check that out.
That's crazy. Oh, yeah. See Bridgers all the way down there. It's getting pretty windy. Bridgers way off in the distance underneath those dark storm clouds. And you look over here, you can even see the crazy mountains way off in the distance too. Wow. See peaks beyond that ridge line too. I'm not even too familiar with what those are, honestly.
Oh,
See mountains way off in the distance, getting hit with some rain.
that's is that Brooks?
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Back in Paradise Valley?
Yeah,
Oh, sick.
This way. Hyalite might be this prominent.
Yeah, that might be that one just barely sticking up over the edge.
Paradise.
Wow.
Epic.
This is awesome. All right, let's head on up to this high point. See if the views don't get even better. Tried to get in that celebratory summit roar. Taking a gander at what this point has to offer too. See if we can get a little better view into the valley down below, lakes, and oh, gotta jump down this little section and be able to scout out a down route as well, which shouldn't be that bad. I think we're just gonna be kind of freelance scrambling down this little gully here, so shouldn't be too bad, not too worried. It's pretty cool. Looking back down towards the lakes. Nice. Pretty cool, but yeah, definitely gonna have to start making our way back now. See that dark cloud is rolling in fast, so gonna head down, hopefully not get hit too hard. Well, finally made it down from little ridge line we were up on. Just kind of choosing our route down. It's a scree slope. Just kind of trying to find the easiest route, but yeah, not too bad. The wind died down now that we're not up there. It's pretty chill. The storm still might be coming, but not too worried. Yeah, I mean, it's a fun little scramble up there. Saw some cool views, totally unexpected. Didn't even plan on doing that mountain today, so a little steep in this section, but just gotta take it slow. Do some street skiing. That's where it's at. Woo! Just careful not to knock rocks down on people below you. Man, my shoes are completely covered in mud and dirt. Making my way back over to Reese here. Being careful not to knock rocks down on someone, but sometimes it's tough. A lot of loose rock here, so gotta be careful. And then we just gotta traverse down this little rocky section. We'll be back to the scree field, and we'll be looking pretty solid. I'll hang out here while you down climb, so I don't knock anything on you.
Nice to fall in here, actually.
Not too bad. Looks like a little bit of class 3 scramble. Nothing too crazy. I think after that we should be set. Just making our way back down to the lake and out to the trailhead. Just kind of making our last descent down this final little scramble section until we get to the scree field. I'm sure we'll be able to hop over pretty quick, and really should be about it. It's a fun little climb. Just kind of chose our own route and went up, and that's where it's at. Love doing those, and worked out great. Weather-wise, we're up there at the perfect time. Saw beautiful light, and then storm started rolling in, so we're coming down, and I mean, I don't think we're looking too bad, honestly. We should be chilling. So it's been real. Till the next summit. Make this last little clip here and show you guys just how quickly the weather here in Montana can change. We're up there, beautiful, sunny. Storm comes in, and just getting hit with snow. You can barely see the outline of the mountains. It's pretty foggy. We're post-holing through the snow on the way back, trying to find the route. Fun times. It's coming down pretty good. Starting to get quite a bit colder. hoping we can find the main trail and make our way out sooner rather than later before it gets too dark. Never know what to expect, even in summer. Oh man, slipping and sliding all over. Oh, this post holing is not fun, but we'll make it back eventually. Peace.